गौरव गुप्ता जी को इनवाइट करते हैं। गौरव गुप्ता जी आ चुके हैं शायद। हाय गौरव, हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I am doing awesome. How is your Sunday?
Yeah, just having like cooking a breakfast.
Okay. What's for breakfast? What are you having in your breakfast?
Like I am cooking rajma and chawal rice.
Rajma and chawal. Okay.
Yeah.
That is my favorite. Yes, we have Gaurav Gupta with us. He is my friend that I know him for last couple of months, and recently he has joined our 1 lakh per month challenge. And we welcome you, Gaurav bhai, to the community. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And he has been doing affiliate for quite some time now, and he will be telling you his journey. How did he make into affiliate marketing? Actually, he is a uh, LIC agent, right, Gaurav?
Yeah.
And yes,
And
tell us about your journey, sir.
yeah. Basically, I am LIC and general insurance agent. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2015, I guess. Like at that time I was promoting at that time like Amazon was also having referral commissions. Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Oyo, Uber, Ola, and that time I was promoting these platforms and generating small referral commissions. And yeah, there was a platform from where I have generated like 5,000 referral commission in one day. I didn't remember that platform, but that was good win for me at that time. And then in 2019, these platforms stopped giving referral commissions and slowly also stopped giving like other offers. Then in 2020, when Corona started, pandemic started, then these platforms were not giving commission. Then I was saying I was watching like one of in my group WhatsApp groups, many people were doing Amazon affiliates. So I also decided to
But
try that.
Amazon does not give us, but Amazon does not give us that kind of percentage that we look for, right? It only
Yeah,
gives like 7 to 10%. Means if you sell like 10,000 product and you get only 10%, it's a peanuts, right? It's a peanuts. People
yeah,
are doing Amazon affiliate and earning peanuts, but we have an opportunity where you get almost like 100% commission, right? Yes, you
yeah,
tell me about. Yeah, you were telling about that 2019 thing. Yes, carry on.
yeah. In 2020, I started Amazon affiliate, but I didn't get success in that. Like I was not able to generate 100 rupees commission, and my account gets suspended. Then I was one day I was scrolling Instagram and I saw an ad about a affiliate platform, and then I contacted with that person and attend the webinar and decided to join that platform. And from there my affiliate like low ticket affiliate journey started. And I didn't get success in that platform. And then you have already known, like you have seen my video motivation, my motivation video, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen each and every videos of this.
Yeah, so I researched about another platform and decided to join that. And that the basic learning I get from that platform and some amount of success also. Then I like this affiliate marketing thing, and then I decided to uh, join a mentorship program. And from that, I learn about the real affiliate, like how to do traditional affiliate, where people are
Yes,
doing
we
like
were in the same mentorship program, right? We were in the same mentorship program.
no, I guess you haven't joined that mentorship program. I was talking different program. From there,
Oh,
I
the
learned
one which we
about,
attended on September, August, September.
yeah,
That one you are talking, or this is another one?
another one.
Yeah,
From
okay,
there,
okay.
yeah, I learned about how to promote, earn bigger commissions and ClickBank, JVs, and Warrior Plus products, and how to pitch your offers and all that, email marketing and all that, video marketing. From there, my video marketing journey started. In the beginning, I procrastinate like videos कर लेंगे हो जाएगा. But from that mentorship program, I learned the importance of video marketing, and then yeah, so I learned very new things from that platform, and then I joined another platform because the platform which I am promoting or was not international. So I was also looking for email marketing tools to do affiliate marketing to promote and like to do email marketing and promote my product. So I decided to join another platform which is giving good email marketing tools and funnel systems, also landing page, capture page, lead magnets. So I decided to join that, and in that I getting so much like little success, and then I decided to join this platform, 1 lakh per month passive income challenge.
Yes, yes, yes. We will be generating 1 lakh passive income, whatever we are campaigning about. It's all about starting with this affiliate program. It's just about starting whatever you want to do. It's about starting anything. Then only you can achieve anything, right?
Yeah. And 3 days back, I was scrolling Instagram and I saw an ad of Umair Qureshi, like, and I just click on that ad and get impressed by the Umair Qureshi itself. Like, I am his big fan, so I decided to take his course, and I joined his 99 rupees workshop. That is 4-hour workshop happening today. So let's see what's he going to deliver
That
in
is a
that.
Kabir Naik, right? Kabir Naik.
No, Umair Qureshi,
Acha, acha. Okay.
16 affiliate marketer. Yeah, so
Okay.
let's
And how
see.
do you manage time? How do you manage time? Means you are doing a full-time job plus this many affiliate programs you have in hand. How do you pitch to your customers? Means how do you manage that? Means we are having a hard time having one affiliate program, but you have couples like more than five, I guess, more
Yeah,
than five affiliate program. How do you pitch to your customers?
yeah. Basically, importance of having multiple affiliate program is that if person didn't like this platforms or not satisfied, then we can tell them him or her about another platform. So that person definitely going to join some platform, or if मतलब पता तो चल ही जाता है कि मतलब उसका अगर है ही नहीं इच्छा तो फिर उसको रहने देते हैं. And that's
Means
how
you get
I.
different students and you pitch for low ticket. If there are person who are willing to pay, then you pitch for some other affiliate program. Like that, you qualify and then you tell to your customers, is it?
Yeah, like on phone call, I ask for their needs, like whatever what they are looking, or if there is affiliate marketer and not getting success, then have different product program for them, and that's how I qualify them in call.
Okay, okay. And your full-time job is also going good, right?
Yeah, actually, at this time we haven't any project in our hand. Actually, I forgot to tell I am site supervisor also, but we haven't have any project in our hand, so we are looking to start a new project. So I'm at home doing affiliate marketing full time and partially LIC and general insurance.
Okay, okay, okay. And how do you do this work?
Wait.
Okay. Sir went somewhere. Okay, I was telling about my journey that 7 महीने पहले मैं था वैसे फिर 7 महीने बाद 7 महीने तक मुझे स्ट्रगल मिली फिर 7 महीने बाद I got yes sir is back. Okay.
Yeah,
And how do you manage time for both your online and offline business?
yeah. Like in construction site, I have to supervise the laborers and all that, and in between I can manage time. That's how, and
Okay.
I'm
And
working.
what would you be telling to the person who are employed and they say we don't have time?
Yeah, same thing. Like I am also doing 9 to 5, and I am managing the time. And you can also manage time by giving only 2 to 3 hours a day.
It's all about having a passion to do something extra
Yeah,
for your life. If you are looking for some extra source of income, then you need to hustle like anything.
yeah.
Right. But they say that we do work for 12 hours, 9 to 9 p.m., and then we come from means office, so we are tired, we eat and we sleep.
Mhm. Those are excuses. Like I saw someone post on FB. That person has written on his post like person like the person who is his lead. Like he says that he requires like 2 hours approximately to travel from his home to office, and in that time he is not. He says that he didn't have time because in 2 hours time he want to rest in the bus or his vehicle, in a train or whatever he's traveling, but he didn't want to spend his
Yeah,
2 hours
yeah.
to.
Means most of the people in metropolitan city from their home place to the workplace they have to take train and it is like 2 hours journey and 8 hours of work, 12 hours of work and again 2 hours of journey. It is almost like 16 hour of your life of out of 24 hours and then I think there is some issue with your net out there.
Yeah,
And what are your plans for Sunday today? What are you planning?
nothing special.
Rajma chawal.
राजमा चावल सीटियां बज रही है. Yeah, so you were telling like little bit about yourself. I missed that part, but no worries. I will watch the replay.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, it's lovely having with you, Gaurav. You told about each and everything about managing time. How you are managing time for your online business. How you are
Yeah,
playing with your affiliate program, whichever is perfect for the customer. You are pitching according to that, and you are investing in new programs as well to learn more. Right?
yeah,
Investing is what required.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so if somebody,
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you. Thanks for having giving your time. Okay, thank you very much.
yeah, uh, thank you for inviting
Thank
me.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.